Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making a folder and opening it in Vscode so everything is in one place. Once done, create index, HTML and script, JS. Link them by adding script src equals script, JS/script just before the closing body tag. You do this because the browser parses HTML first, then runs JavaScript, avoiding undefined elements. Make sure to save both files. If you want automatic reload, install Live Server now. Otherwise, open the HTML file in a browser manually after saving. You will write a quick test, put console, log hello and a small DOM query in script, JS to confirm connection. Once done, choose defer on the script tag or keep it at the end of body. Both ensure elements exist before code runs. Save files, then open the page. Make sure to open the Browser DevTools console to view logs and errors. This tells you if code loaded. If nothing appears, check that the file path matches exactly and that you saved script, JS. Now test by running the HTML in a browser, preferably via Live Server for instant reloads. You'll interact, edit script, JS, save, then see changes immediately or refresh the page. Read console errors, follow line numbers, and fix typos in file names or script tags. Make sure script path is relative and exact. Troubleshooting tip: if the script still won't run, check that you saved files, verify the src path spelling, and perform a hard reload or clear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.